Welcome to this video on units and measurement for CBSE Class 11 Physics. We will cover base and derived physical units, significant figures, scientific notation, and dimensional analysis. Units provide the essential framework for science, allowing us to compare physical quantities using universally accepted standard references. Before the standard SI system was adopted in 1971, several regional systems like CGS, FPS, and MKS were used. The SI system is now preferred for its decimal structure, which simplifies conversions. The International System, or SI, is built upon 7 base quantities, including length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. Supplementary units include radians for plane angles and steradians for solid angles. Modern SI units are defined by fundamental constants of nature and quantum mechanical limits, moving away from reliance on physical artifacts. Next, we explore measurement uncertainty, including the methodology for handling significant figures and scientific rounding rules. In measurements, accuracy is limited by the instrument's least count. Standard rules dictate which digits are significant, such as non-zero integers and zeros trapped between them. To maintain precision, we use scientific notation, expressing values in the form a times 10 to the power of b. This helps in comparing the order of magnitude between vastly different scales. When performing arithmetic, results should not exceed the precision of the input data. We also follow specific rounding conventions, like rounding to the nearest even digit when the dropped digit is 5. Physical quantities are described by their dimensions, the powers to which base quantities are raised. Dimensions allow us to represent concepts like volume, velocity, and force. Dimensional analysis is a powerful tool. The principle of homogeneity states that only quantities with the same dimensions can be added or equated, helping us derive and verify physical formulas. To summarize, SI units form our foundation, while uncertainty, scientific notation, and dimensional analysis ensure our calculations are logical and precise. This video utilizes images sourced from m.made-in-china.com.